I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see what premium channels you're subscribed to on YouTube TV. As an added bonus, I'll also show you how to cancel the auto-renew for premium channels you no longer want. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com and then sign in to your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Make sure Membership is selected in the menu on this screen. You'll see the current services that you pay for and also premium services you're subscribed to right at the top of this section. In this example, you can see that I'm subscribed to the YouTube TV base plan, but also that I'm subscribed to the 4K Plus service and the Stars Premium channel. If you ever decide that you want to cancel any premium channels you've added to your YouTube TV subscription, all you need to do is tap Cancel associated with that premium channel and then tap Yes Cancel on the next screen. That premium channel will be canceled and won't be renewed going forward. You can check that channel and look for the red text to see what date you'll have access to that channel through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.